Welcome to Sally Melodies classroom, where we learn basic music. We are still looking at Abrsm theory exams, and this might take us several lessons because we are going to be looking at every area. As we said, we cover 7 areas. Now the first area here is rhythm, and we said that it has 15 marks. So question 1.1, it talks about the time signature. It talks about the time signature, and then you are given the choices, 3 choices. So it has 3 questions, but I have only taken 1 question. I'll be taking 1 question in every category. Circle the correct time signature. But because it will be an online exam, you only click the answer. You click the answer with your cursor on the computer or laptop, depending on what you are using to sit for the exam. But during the time when it was a physical exam, you only use your pencil to circle the answer. We are going to do that demo in the future, the demo for the online exam. But let's first do it manually here as a physical exam, because the most important thing is to know how to answer the questions. In the exam room, you are going to have a plain paper and your pencil, rubber, ruler, so that you can do your working. So you are allowed to carry a rough paper, a plain one, no books, no piano. You are not supposed to carry anything that will bring any kind of leakage to the exam. So the only thing you are allowed to carry is the working materials where you are going to be working. So we have 2-4, and then we have 4-4. It can also be a C. Remember we said 4-4 is also a common time. It can have two names or 2 symbols, 4-4 or C, common time. And then we have 3-4. And then those are just choices. You are told to do this question by identifying the correct time signature. In order for you to get the number of beats appropriately and without taking too much time, you just look at the answers first. If you look at these answers, they are all in crotchets. 2 crochet beats, 4 crochet beats, 3 crochet beats. This is 1 crochet. The 4 semiquavers will give you another crochet, 1 crochet, 1 crochet, and then this is another crochet. The quiver and its rests will give you another crochet. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the answer is the one at the middle. You circle it like that. But for the online exam, just highlight and then you click answer. We come to question number 1.2, which is telling you to add a bar line. There are 5 questions in that category. I only took 1. There are supposed to be 2 bars, but there is a bar line that is missing. You just do the same, and you count from either side. You can count from that side, and you can also count from this side. Let's go. We are looking for 3 crochet beats in every bar. This is a crochet, this is a crochet, and this is a crochet. So 1, 2, 3. You just come and put your bar line there. So this is a crochet, and this is also a crochet. The dot will give you a quiver, so that is a crochet, and this is a crochet. So you get 3, 4, 3, 4. Because you are doing an online exam, the bar line is not tangible. You are just going to pick it with your cursor, and then you drop it there. Question 1.3, how many quivers are there in a dotted minim? So what you are going to do very fast, you are going to write your minim here, and then you are going to add the dot. The dot gives you the half of the note, and the half of the minim is the crochet. And then here you are going to start splitting. So you are going to get 4 quivers here. You are going to get 4 quivers here. You are going to get 4 quivers there, and then here you are going to get 2 more quivers like that. So after you do that, then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. The answer is 6. You just select the answer that will be provided there. And then you are asked, question number B, you are asked, this one has got two questions. How many crochets are there in a semi-breve? You come and draw your semi-breve there, and then you split it into crochets. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. A semi-breve will be divided into 4 to give you a crochet, a crochet, a crochet, a crochet. That is how you are supposed to answer your question. So here the answer is 4. You are not going to write the answer. You are going to select the answer. You are going to click the answer. And then you click the answer button. That is how you answer questions in an online exam. Question 1.4, you click 1, the bar that is correctly grouped, to give you a 3, 4. So when you look at the first one, even the rhythm itself will not give you the correct thing. Same applies to the second one. But when you come to the third one, even by the look of your eyes, you will see that this is one beat, this is another beat, and this is another beat. And the beaming has been done correctly. Remember we said you beam the notes that are next to each other, and maybe, if possible, notes that are next to each other with the same value. You see here, they separated these two sets of semiquavers. Same applies to here. But when we come to the third one, you can see that it is a crochet, one beat, 4 semiquavers, another beat, and then we have two quavers there. So one beat, one beat, one beat. The grouping is okay and the beaming is okay. Even when you conduct a 3-4, it will be singable. So the answer will be C. You will click that C as your answer. Question 1.5, you have been given a piece of music, 4 bars, and then you have been told to put a tick or an X. You either tick or you put an X on the correct and incorrect placement of the rests. Let's see. It is a 4-4, so we need 4 crochet beats here. So this is 1, 2. This one cannot give us because we needed a minim rest to complete that bar. So here we put an X because this is a semi-breve rest. It has 4 beats. So it means that it will be a 6-4 and we want a 4-4. When you come here, you first count the notes that are being provided. This is a crochet, and when you take that dot and this one here, it will give you another crochet, and then this is a crochet and this is a crochet rest. So that one is grouped correctly. The rest has been placed correctly. And then we come to bar 3, a crochet, a crochet. The 3 semiquavers plus the rest will give you 1 crochet, and this will also give you 1 crochet. So here the answer was the tick. Question 1.6, you are told to choose which of these notes is written from the shortest to the longest. Because of saving time, and you know the exam is 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. You just come here and observe. You come and eliminate what you don't need. For example, you eliminate this one because you expect to see a semi-breve at the end. So you work between these two. This is the smallest, followed by this, a dotted quiver, followed by the minim, and then followed by the semi-breve. And then you click that one. It can't be this, because this one is supposed to be here and this one is supposed to be here. Thank you very much for joining this class. See you in the next class when we will be looking at the next question.